Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can buy the things on your movie account. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the movie account. After that, we have to click on this icon. As you can see, as icon. So we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, if you want to buy any kind of thing, you can also do that. As you can see, as option for the buy now. If you want to buy the movie premium, you can also do that. As you can see in the monthly section and the annual section, you will have to pay this price. In the monthly section, you need to pay this price. So you can buy that. As you can see, if you want to I support movie, you need to choose that what you want to buy, paid subscription and the cloud storage as well. So these all things are provided here. Smiley guy and the spring filling and the women power. Now what you need to do, you can buy these all things here. For example, I'm going to click on the add to cart, add to cart and add to cart. As you can see now, these all things are added here. If you want to buy this from here, you can directly buy this, checkout, click on the checkout, and you will get these things here. So in this way you can do the so in this way you can do the purchase from the Mewe. Different types of facilities you can buy. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can buy this. It's very easy to understand. So see you guys in the next video.